The total number of COVID-19 cases in Manipur has reached 342, with 31 fresh cases reported in the past 24 hours. As per an official report, all the 31 individuals tested positive at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory (VRDL) of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal. India recorded the highest single-day spike of 9,996 more COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of coronavirus cases to 286,579, according to figures released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. According to media reports, the total tally is 286,579, of which 137,448 are active cases, 141,028 have been cured, and 8,102 succumbed to the infection. Manipur Health and Family Welfare Minister Longpoklakpam Jayantakumar today underlined on the need of opening more COVID care facilities in the state to contain the COVID-19 pandemic. He informed that UNACO School, Maitram, will start functioning as a COVID care center from today. The minister was handing out 2 Medilane ambulances for None and Kamjong district at the Medical Directorate premises in Imphal. The number of COVID-19 positive cases in Mizoram rose to 102 today. 9 more tested positive during the last 24 hours, according to media reports. State Chief Minister Zoramthanga, in his official Twitter handle, has sought the cooperation from all in the fight against the pandemic. Coronavirus has infected over 2 million people overall in the United States, and in the past 24 hours has caused 1,082 fatalities in the country, according to media reports. The world's leading economic power is by far the country most affected by the pandemic, both in terms of the number of reported deaths, 112,833, and the number of diagnosed cases, which stood at 2,464. The US continues to record around 20,000 new cases of COVID-19 every day and is struggling to come down from that plateau as the level of infections wax and wane in different parts of the country.